Question number 43. In order to do this problem, I'm going to look at one kind of sentence at a time. The first sentence is going to be one equation, and the second sentence is going to be a different equation. So let's start with the first sentence. Joe's Body Shop charges $25 for parts and $50 per hour. Well, this to me, as soon as I hear the word per, I know this number is going to be my rate, which means it's going to be my M value, my slope value. So to write this out, I would do y equals $50 per hour. In this case, I'll use x. Plus, you must pay $25 for parts. That's kind of like your extra fee. Okay, now to the second line. The second line, they charge $70 for parts and $40 per hour. So I'll write that the same way, but instead of a 50, I'll put a 40. Instead of a 25, I'll put a 70. Now I assume I'm going to have to solve this somehow. What length of jobs would have the same cost at both shops? When someone says they want two things to be the same, you have to set them equal to each other. Because when someone says the same in math, they mean congruent or equal. So I'm actually going to take this guy, and I'm going to put him where the y is. I'll write it out real long. 50 plus x plus 25 is equal to 40x plus 70. To solve, you want to move the stuff that's smaller, keeps things positive. Let's move the 40x over to the left. Now all of our x's will be together. We have 10 x's. And over on the right, we just have a 70. Now let's move our numbers over to the right-hand side. Minus 25, minus 25. I now have 10x is equal to, that'd be 45. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. X equals 4.5. Halfway there. Oh my gosh, no, I'm done. Here's why. They don't ask you to figure out the x value and the y value. They only want to know the length of the job, which means they only want to know the hours. And your answer is 4.5 or 4½ hours. And just as a hint, x values are very often time. So if you're not sure, y values are very often money. X values are very often time.